Welcome to MJ Farms and Trading Limited. My name is Kwadwo. I am the Managing Director of MJ Farms and Trading Limited. We are into production and exporting of papaya, pineapples, and passion fruits. We have decided to go into organic plantation because we think organic is the best way to go. We have 4 hectares of papaya, organic, 100% organic. We decided to go into organic because with organic, we don't use herbicides, we don't use fertilizers, and we don't use chemicals. Because we think human health is paramount to our organization. If you can rightly see on our slogan, be sure of what you eat, is our slogan. Our fruits is very unique. It has a very good taste. It is second to none when you come to papaya. Many people have testified it. Even the samples that we send abroad, people ate it and they were saying, wow, where is this papaya coming from? Please buy from us so that we can expand and we can all save our environment.